Let's see what these attributes are. Now we saw the div had an attribute called style, and we understood pretty much by looking at it what a style attribute is. Now each element will have a different attribute. Div had style, so other elements might have different things. So style is to style the element, say apply a border, change the font, all that. So we'll try to see some other attributes now. Now this is an anchor tag. The basic job of anchor tag is to take to a link. Now anchor tag is nothing but those links that you see in the websites. Now it has an attribute called href. Href is to locate the link. Now we'll see in another attribute. There's an image tag. As the name suggests, the purpose of an image tag is just to show an image. Now image tag might have something like src, which tells you the source. Now the same folder where the sample.html, this file is, there is a image file that I've kept. It's called Empire State.jpg, which has an image of the Empire State. Now it has a closing tag. We'll see in the later detailed version of the image tag being explained. So this shows the image. So these attributes change from element to element, and each attribute has a purpose. Like how these elements have a different purpose, obviously according to that these attributes also have a different purpose.